Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this easy dress combo on Dress to Impress with no VIP at all. So first we're going to go here and we're going to grab this dress and I'm just going to color it red. You can color it any color you want in silk. Then you do need this skirt from the Summer Quest and I'm just going to color it the lighter red so it matches with the dress. And then last of all, we are going, actually no, we still need the gloves, but we're going to go to codes and we're going to get this dress and we're going to color it that like dark red again. You can kind of mix and match it and add maybe like some gold aspects to it, but I'm gonna just stick with the red. Then I'm just going to add these gloves here, and that is pretty much it. Super simple and super cute. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.